Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to watch multiple channels on Fubo TV. Now, you need to know that this mainly depends on the device that you are using. So, it will work for Apple TV and some select devices from Roku. But later on, they will make this feature supported by many other devices. Now, here in my case, I will use the Google TV. So, what you should do is to simply, when you are in any channel, as you can see, you'll just have to click on the button. Then it will show you here this menu. And you will find this icon right here. This is the multi-view icon. You will just have to choose it, tap on it. Then here it will show you here this page. And now you'll have to choose the channels that you want to have it in your multi-view. So now I pick the second one, the third one, and finally the fourth. And once you pick the fourth, it will be displayed just like so. And now you might wondering which one of these channels will you get the audio from. The highlighted one, as you can see, this one has the white highlight around it. This one is gonna be where you get the sound from. And you can actually switch between the four channels by just hovering over it, then click on OK. So here in my case, I want to go to this channel on the top right corner. You just have to click on OK on it and make sure that it is highlighted by the white box right here in order to select it. Now, I want to show you when you can actually use another device that doesn't support the multi-view system. This is my Xbox, and when I click on the button, here as you can see, I have the same timeline, but I don't have the multi-view icon right here, so that I cannot actually use the feature. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.